Congratulations! You've taken an important step toward getting more out of life with better hearing. Let's open the box and learn all about your new devices. Inside, you will find everything you need to get started. Let's get to know your Engage Rechargeable. Each hearing aid has the following parts: microphones, tube, tip, toggle switch, concha lock, and wax stop. Plug the USB cable into the charging case and the other end into a USB power source. Next, place your hearing aids in the charging case with the battery side down. Close the lid to begin charging. Notice there are two sets of light indicators on your case, indicating the status of the left and right aid. A flashing light means your aids are charging. A solid light means they're fully charged. The light on the bottom of the charger indicates the charge of the case itself. A green light means the case is fully charged. You can charge the hearing aids in your case up to 3 times before having to plug it back in. Orange means it has less than 3 full charges in it. Your aids will shut off when inserted for charging and automatically turn on when removed from the case. Pressing the toggle switch up or down will adjust the volume as needed. You will hear 2 tones indicating the volume has been adjusted. If you do not hear tones, this indicates you have reached the maximum or minimum volume level. Press and hold the toggle switch up or down for 2 seconds to progress to a different profile. You will hear a notification alerting you that you are on a different profile. Press and hold again to cycle through the profiles. Select mild, moderate, bass boost, or max to find your most comfortable sound. It may take some time to get used to the process of putting on your hearing aids, so practice until it becomes natural. There can be feedback or whistling if your hearing aids are not fully inserted or you do not have a good seal. Grasp your hearing aid between your thumb and forefinger. Place the hearing aid behind your ear with the tube pointing forward over the ear. Gently push the ear tip into the ear canal. Tuck the concha lock into the bowl of the ear. We recommend wearing the aids for 4 to 6 hours a day to start, and working up to 8 hours a day for the first week. Your aids have a wax guard in the tip to prevent wax from getting inside the device. You should check daily for any obstruction. If you see wax inside, you can replace it by following these steps. First, remove the ear tip from your aid. Next, using the wax guard tool, insert the star-shaped removal end into the used wax stop. Pull the tool up to remove the used wax guard. Turn the tool over to place the new wax guard on the tip and press firmly into place. You're done. When choosing an ear tip, it is best to start off with the one most typically suited for your level of loss. If you feel that your loss is more mild, then start with the open tip. If you feel you have a greater loss, we suggest you start with the vented ear tip first. If you're experiencing high-pitched noises or if your hearing sounds muffled, you may need to change the tip. Experiment until you're hearing clearly for your environment. You can always reach out to a Lucid Hearing customer service representative for support. To change the tip, begin by holding the hearing aid by the aid or tube. Gently pull on the tip until it comes off. You may need to twist it using a back and forth motion. Next, align the new tip with the dome facing outward and press the new tip on until the wax stop is flush with the entrance to the dome tip. The concha lock attaches to the receiver to position the receiver securely in the ear. First, grasp the concha lock with thumb and forefinger. The concha lock is held tightly to the receiver by a small plastic loop. Firmly push the concha lock back through the loop. Once the concha lock is removed, a new one can be installed. If a new concha lock is needed for comfort or fit, they can be ordered at shop.lucidhearing.com or call 800-785-6052. To remove your old tubes, grip the old tube on the sides of the clear plastic connector firmly. Pull the tube straight out until fully detached. Attach a new tube by aligning the base of the tube with the hearing aid connector and press firmly until you hear a click.